Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. The videos you see on the screen are currently trending and viral topics on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. If you want, you can make them using free AI. In today's video, I will discuss in detail how to make such videos using free AI. So let's start the video. So friends, to create such a video, you will need a master prompt. I have created a master prompt. I will give the link of this prompt in the form of a link in the video description and pinned comment. If you click on that link, the prompt will go to the foot. Now, copy the entire prompt, then open ChatGPT, paste the master prompt in the prompt box of ChatGPT, and give the command. ChatGPT will give us the result in a few seconds. ChatGPT gave us idea topics. He gave us a total of 20 topics here. We can work on these topics. Look, friends, he gave all the details of the topics. He has arranged various topics from different countries. For the convenience of the video, I selected topic number 5 here. Then I pasted it again in ChatGPT and gave the command. Now, he is asking us to select the duration for the video. For the convenience of the video, and so that the video does not become too boring, I selected 30 seconds duration here. Then I gave the command again. As soon as we give the command, ChatGPT will give us scene-by-scene image and video prompts according to the topic. We can see that it has given us image and video prompts for the first scene, video prompts for the second scene, and video prompts for the third scene. We will generate the image with the image prompt of the first scene and generate the video with that image. We have got the prompt. Now we will generate the image and video. We will open Google Flow. Then we will copy the image prompt of the first scene and paste it in the prompt box of Flow. Then here we will save the settings as we like. Then we will give the command. Flow will create our image in a few seconds. We have got our image. Now we will generate the video. For that, we will click on the 3-dot option above the image, click on the animate option. The image will come in the prompt box. Now we will copy the video generate prompt of the first scene. I will paste it in the prompt box of Flow. I will click on settings. I will select a video, frame, size, OmniFlash, 10 seconds, ×1. Then I will give the command. Our video will start generating. We will get our video in a few seconds. Boom. Friends, we have got our video. Let's play the video. Friends, you can see how beautifully the video has been created. Now, we will make a second video by taking the last frame of this video. For that, we will click on the save frame option in the corner above the video. The frame will be saved. We've got the frame. Now we will click on the 3-dot option again. We will click on the animate option. Then we will copy the second video prompt. We will paste it in the prompt box of Flow and give the command. Our video will be generated in a few seconds. Friends, you can see how beautifully the video has been created. Now, we will make a third video by taking the last frame of this video. For that, we will click on the save frame option in the corner above the video. The frame will be saved. We've got the frame. Now, we will click on the 3-dot option again. We will click on the animate option. Then we will copy the third video prompt. We will paste it in the prompt box of Flow and give the command. Our video will be generated in a few seconds. Friends, we have received our video. Now, if you download the videos and use any editing software to put them together, our complete short video will be created. So if you find the video helpful, please like it, comment on it, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.